I don't do anything conventionally.
Oh, why are these so heavy?
My oh my, is it a beautiful day outside? I don't know. It's a Wednesday morning. I tend to become a vegetable on these days, but yeah, that's what this channel's about. Obviously, why? Of course, I'm showing you the golf. Why am I filming right now? Well, take a look at these. Do you like them? I hope not, because well, we're saying goodbye to the sunken. We're saying goodbye to the sunken bronze winter tires. Currently, it is March. It's the beginning of March, so this might be a little bit risky throwing summer tires on the vehicle, but I don't know if I can. Yeah, I don't know if I can deal with seeing the bronzes anymore. I'm sick of it. They're too dark. They're better than black. That's fine with me, and they do look good. I gotta be honest, they do look good. But the silver, it goes with the taillights so well. It just matches the. I don't know. You'll see once I throw it on. You're gonna see how it goes. But okay, so I just saw the first bee of the 2026 year. I'm a little bit scared because I hate when those things are flying over me. I gotta be honest. Bees are like flying thumbtacks. Let me know what you think about that. I can't stand them. I hate when they're flying around me. It's the one problem with summer, is bees and mosquitoes. Mosquitoes suck too. Now I know you guys are probably gonna be making fun of me because you saw all the oil burn. I talk about it all the time. I actually made a video about it. But despite that. Tractor noises. You can't get over it. The fact that it's sunny out makes me really happy because the roads are not going to get salted as often. Rain's going to come in, wash it away. Roads are going to get nice and warm. I'm going to have the summer tires on. It's going to be grippy and we can do some fun stuff. But as the sun comes out, you can always tell how dirty it gets. And I just washed this pretty recently. I just drove it to and from work a few days and it's already it's crusty on the back. Actually, I also got to get the exhaust tips polished up because those get sooty, and then I tend to not want to wash it when it's cold and wet outside. So the soot kind of adheres to the metal and takes forever to clean off. So now as I hop in the vehicle, I do notice I still have this winter jacket in here. I never take it out because well, when it gets cold outside and my forgetful brain gets involved, sometimes I go to work and I forget to bring my winter jacket. I don't think there's a need for it anymore. I'll just try and remember if it gets cold again. We got the windows down. It's not too warm yet, but relative to Buffalo, New York, it's actually pretty warm. So we got the windows down, AC off. I just got my jacket on. We're rocking no heated seats or steering wheel, but I do have it in sport mode, and it's nice because I can physically hear the pops and bangs echoing off the buildings, and it is a feeling I missed from last summer. So you can also hear the whooshing of the intake. It sounds so good. All right, now where are we, you might ask? Well, that's my buddy's garage right there. He's been holding my summer tires for me. I'm just stopping by, loading them up, and then we're gonna put them on back at the old crib. So, yeah, let's get it rolling. Ooh, I gotta get this out too. No need for this. I broke it over the winter, actually. Yeah, that thing is kaput. Do I know how to use a garage door opener? Whoa! Okay. Beautiful sunlight. Oh, what was I doing? Here we go. Somewhere in this stack of wheels is my 3 on the bottom. Right. Alright, that's gonna be fun. Well, tough guy. You're no match for me.
Oh, why are these so heavy?
Alright. Now the goal is going to be not dropping these on anything expensive.
Oh, why are these so heavy?
One more. remember what this box is. Is this my, all my lugs? Yeah. This will give you all my hardware. Ignore the suspension components in there. What is this, bro? Pool noodle? I know you're watching this, Brett. What is this? Oh, I'm so excited. Look at the sparkle in there. I mean, dude, the bronzes are nice. But I mean, come on. Oh, dude, I'm so excited. Also, you're probably wondering why there's only three of them. I don't know if you saw in my previous video, I did briefly film it, but there is the fourth one's in my garage. I had it scraped up by a service department. There was a whole thing with that, and I just ended up leaving it in my garage after that was all resolved. Now we just gotta grab the hardware. Almost not one-handable. I think it's gonna lock up, and I'll get the stuff in there afterwards. Just gotta remove this, that. I can one-hand these because they're so light. Oh my gosh. And that is a loaded trunk. Booyah. Oh, and this thing, of course, as well. And booyah. A little tight. Ugh. Is this the best place to do this? Maybe not, but I don't really have a garage spot, as you can see, so yeah, you just work with what you got. Now, of course, here is my... Yep, this is my other wheel. Actually, I gotta find out where my center cap went for this thing, because I actually have no idea where I put it. Okay, yeah, slow down, that's enough, yep, okay. Oh, maybe a little more. Where is that center cap? 1 second. Well, of course, there it is. Now, of course, the hardware. Wheel. That's for you. Right here. My brother got home, so he made me move. He also left his window open, so I'm gonna tell him about that. But anyways, I have wheel spacers for these. I got the 15 millimeters on the rear and the 11s on the front, which means I got longer bolts for the rears. This should be the longer one. This is another longer one. Let me find a shorter one to compare. There we go. Yeah, shorter one on the left here is for the front. Longer ones for the rear. Up we go. Put this somewhere. And I mean, that's just side number one. We're not even in the sun. I should have done the sunny side first. That's the teaser for you. Look how much less sunken we are. But we're not pokey either. You can see it angles just enough to line up with the fender there, and it's just, Mwah. So let's take all of this, give it a little spritz, give it a little spritz. Now, that's not the conventional way. I don't do anything conventionally. I haven't had issues this far yet, so So bear with me. Don't yell at me. I do the stupid decisions. You don't. Now we just rub it a little, see what comes off. Go around the top here. Get some of this polish in there. Might be too much. Look at that come off there. Clean exhaust tip. Okay, that one proved to be much harder to clean than that one, but we got it. So crispy. Now, again, driving around in the sun like this kind of gives me vision of like the summer and what's ahead for like vlogging and whatnot. So there's gonna be a lot more car events now as the weather warms up. I don't know if it's permanently warm yet. It's probably not gonna be. Like, there's probably gonna be some cold days ahead of us still, but we're warming up. As car events start to happen more and more, I think what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have a lot more walking around car events. I'm gonna show you guys more cars, a lot more of the cool stuff that's around the Buffalo area, and probably do a little bit of mingling with others as well instead of just me. So there's definitely going to be some fun stuff going on in the channel. Maybe I'll add some modifications to the GTI 2 throughout the summer. We'll see where money takes me there. But yeah, effectively this video's over. Appreciate you guys watching. Remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and well, stay warm out there.